Okay, so now I want to cover running programs from the command line. We learned about IRB. That's a great way to experiment. I use IRB all the time, and I particularly use it with Rails console, as we covered in the first section. Now what we're going to cover is running programs for external files. And this is a really great way to explore puts, and also a great way to just develop longer programs. It gets very time-consuming and tedious to type every program out character by character in IRB. So now we'll start writing them in the console. One of the neatest things about the OS X operating system, which is built on the Unix operating system, is that any program any file can be programmed. So we're in the directory where we have the Hello app. We're in our home directory, and we're just going to go ahead and we're going to create a new file. And we could just use the command touch to just create a new file. So it'll be touch script.rb. These names don't really mean anything in particular, but I figured script is not a bad name for it. I'm going to go ahead and open that up in Atom. Okay. So here's my script program, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write puts hello world, because that is the traditional first program. Alright, now I have this script here. Now what I'd like to do is run it from the console. So it's just going to be puts, and then the name of the program, hello world, like so. Nicely done. Now I happen to be in the home directory. If I were somewhere else, suppose I were on my desktop. From here, I could run that same program by saying just using the relative path. So I could either say tilde to point me back to my home directory, or I could also say // script, and that would work just as well.